My name is Ernie. I brought a 2010 G37. The car was originally a daily driver and then became a Friday fun car, and I began adding some parts. As I began doing those searches, I think Z1 began popping up. I don't remember whether I saw any print ad in any of the magazines, but definitely once I found you online, you guys had the biggest selection of Z parts. So I am finally replacing the open diff with a limited slip differential. Yeah, so the car is, as I said, it was a fun day car, and then several years ago I turned it into just a amateur track day car. So did some suspension upgrades, some brake upgrades, not really any performance upgrades to this point. But what I found is with the better brakes and better tires, the differential was the weak link then. As I came around a tight corner and got hard on the power, then I would get some wheel spin. So gonna try the differential, see how that goes. Yeah. I think I've taken this car about as far as I'm going to. It really is just 3 or 4 times a year on the track with the Track Night of America, and so don't have any plans beyond this. Going to do a tune today with you guys and see how that goes, and that's about it.